Hi guys, and in front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So, at first enroll your phone the other. Now, click on Keypad, and this is the panel in which we will be entering the codes. So let's start with the shortest one. It's *##06#. And here we've got device info with both IMEI and serial number included. Tap on OK to exit. That's the basic one, but I believe it's like mostly useful because you often need your IMEI number, and that's the quickest way to find it. So let's go to the second code. It is *##4636 ###. And here we've got the testing panel. We can find it phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi details. So by tapping on phone info, you'll be able to check IMEI number, phone number if your SIM card is inserted, voice service, voice network type, signal strength, and so on. You can also perform a ping test here. Just mark run ping test, and here it is. So let me go back. Then under usage statistics, you'll be able to check statistics for each app. So you can go app by app. Then you can also sort it by usage time, by last time, or by app name, however you prefer. Let me leave it alphabetically. So let's go back, and then we've got Wi-Fi details. So here you can find Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. Under status, you can also perform a ping test. So that's it for this one. Let me go back, and another code that you can use is *##, *##, 225, *##. Actually, I do not have my account added here, but if you do, all upcoming events from every account that is added for every calendar that you have would be displayed right here. So you will not forget about any upcoming events. So it's super useful. I really like this one. And the last code that I would like to show you is *##, 426, *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode. In this panel, you can check events and status. Here, by tapping, you can switch between them. If that's not enough for you, just tap on more icon and click on advanced view. Now you get way more details, more advanced. So that's it. This is how you can explore your phone more, how you can get quite important information regarding your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.